वेलकम वंस अगेन ऑन वार्तालाप विद आकृति। आज कोरोना वायरस की सिचुएशन को आए हुए कितने महीने हो गए हैं? मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर आ गया है। 6 महीने हो गए हैं। वी आर लिविंग इन द पैंडेमिक एंड आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। आई होप यू ऑल आर सेफ एंड हेल्दी। वेल, इस लॉकडाउन में मैंने शुरू किया था वार्तालाप विद आकृति और आज हम कर रहे हैं एपिसोड 32। सो ये आई एम एक्साइटेड दैट वी आर डूइंग वार्तालाप एंड इट हैज रीच्ड वेयर इट हैज रीच्ड एंड ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ योर लव गाइस। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग ऑल दैट लव। आई मीन मैं तो यहाँ आती हूँ हर हफ्ते ऐसे नए नए टॉपिक्स लेके जो आप लोग मुझे भेजते हो। सो इफ यू वांट टू डिस्कस और इफ यू वांट मी टू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग जो आपका फेवरेट टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में आप जानना चाहते हो, देन प्लीज यार ऑलवेज यू कैन डीएम मी। एंड ऐसा ही एक टॉपिक मेरे पास आया था लास्ट वीक जिसमें मुझे एक फॉलोअर ने पूछा था दैट दे वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट अ करियर एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर। मतलब कैसे आप एक सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर बन सकते हो। तो आई हैव गॉट द सेम टॉपिक ऑन द शो टुडे और आज मैं बात करने वाली हूँ एक सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर से, ब्लॉगर से, मॉडल से जिसकी जर्नी मैंने खुद ने पर्सनली देखी है। आई मीन शी स्टार्टेड एंड नाउ शी इज रीच टू अ लेवल वेर इन शी हैज मोर देन 80,000 फॉलोअर्स। तो आज विदाउट फर्दर डू लेट मी टेक हर लाइव एंड लेट्स ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या होता है सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर और कैसे कोई भी अपना करियर शुरू कर सकता है एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर ऑन सोशल मीडिया। आई मीन फॉर स्टार्टर्स अगर आपको शुरुआत करनी है तो इट इज वन करियर जिसके लिए यू डोंट नीड अ बिग स्टार्टअप कैपिटल। थोड़ा बहुत पैसा लगता है बट देन इट इज समथिंग विच यू कैन स्टार्ट एट अ नेगोशिएबल स्मॉल लेवल and then maybe grow bigger. So I am taking Shilpi Bose live. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, Shilpi. So good to see you.
Can you hear me?
So yes, I can. आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
बिल्कुल आ रही है.
Dude, you're looking pretty as ever.
You too. Look who's talking.
नहीं यार, मैं तो ऐसी ही लग रही हूँ ठीक ठाक। बाल कलर नहीं किए बहुत टाइम से हमारे कलर।
बाल की
क्या?
बात मत करो. बाल की तो बात मत करो.
Yeah, man, I want to color my hair, but hopefully थोड़े दिन में जब और सिचुएशन ठीक हो जाएगी तब कलर करूंगी. But anyway,
Yeah, you
Shilpi,
had
I'm
those blonde hair. Sorry.
so happy to have you on Vartalap with Akriti. Welcome on the show.
It's an honor for me.
So sweet. So Shilpi, मेरे पास ना ऐसे बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे थे wherein people wanted to understand कि कोई अगर ब्लॉगर बनना चाहता है, इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना चाहता है, सोशल मीडिया को यूज करना चाहता है, मोनेटाइज करना चाहता है, तो कैसे शुरुआत करे. So that's why I thought of you and then I approached you और हमने बात की कि चलो कर लेते हैं एक लाइव सेशन and you were so sweet enough to agree to it and come live with me. तो बताओ, let's find out about your journey. How did you start? कहाँ से कहाँ तक इतनी लंबी जर्नी तुमने की है, हमने देखी है, तुम्हें ग्रो करते हुए देखा है. अच्छा लगता है जब तुम्हें देखते हैं with so many followers.
So it started. I was actually working 9 to 5 job कर रही थी और सब कुछ सोशल मीडिया ही था because I was handling digital of a brand. तो वहाँ पे I was working with a few bloggers and now they are like big names in the industry. So they influenced me a lot. I learned a lot from them. Then I thought, why not start my own blog instead of doing this 9 to 5 job because I felt that it's so boring every day going to office, coming back home. But then I thought, why should I not try this? And then I think I had around 5,000 followers at that point of time. And then I thought that I started asking, I started talking to the bloggers that tell me about your journey, how you started. So the thing is, everyone has their own way of doing this. I mean, you can't follow a strategy or you don't have to follow like some rules. There are no rules in this. Even in blogging, the main thing is for blogging you need a website, and for social media you need to focus on one channel. If you want to focus on maybe Instagram, take Instagram and focus on Instagram and start creating good content. start working with. You need to attract followers, you need to target a good your niche audience, and you need to show people what you're good at. See, if you're good at fashion like you are, so you can put styling posts. I think there are many girls who are good at styling, and I can see in the lockdown, oh my god, like everyone is doing something or the other. So then you can put on styling post. You can show people that see that I'm good at this. So when you show this, you attract similar kind of brands. You attract similar kind of designers. They'll come and approach you. They'll start. It'll start from like a very minor thing, and then it'll go big. And then this is how you'll start doing. You don't have to you have to focus only on your content, only on yourself. You have to be yourself, but you have to be very consistent. You have to keep posting. You can't do one thing today and then think, oh, it's so boring, I'm bored, I don't want to, I want to do I don't want to do this. So continuously posting stories, even if you are not feeling of doing something, you can post normal things, whatever you are doing, your day-to-day life, you have to share it. And this is how you start.
Let's try and start it from the beginning, from the ideation. If suppose if tomorrow XYZ wants to start a blog, okay, तो सबसे पहला step क्या है? सबसे पहले तो you should decide a niche for yourself.
Yes, you have to decide your niche. That if you are good at fashion, or maybe you're a very good makeup artist, you can do your beauty post. You have to focus on one thing first. Later, explore the other things. So focus. On
maybe try and pick up your hobby. Like you are good at fashion. कि तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है, you should wear nice clothes and style. So you enjoy that. That's why you're doing it. I enjoy talking. So I started Vartalap. Let's come and talk.
Exactly.
So just
you're
find
a very
that
good
niche.
host. Yeah. So you have to know what you're good at.
You're so kind and sweet. यार मैं तो बोलती हूँ ऐसे. I think whatever you're doing in any field of life, if you want to succeed, no, it's very important to be authentic. जब आप खुद authentic होते हो your own self, तभी no matter what you do, the world is there to see you and pick up and learn something from you because you're unique. जो तुम कर सकती हो शिल्पी वो मैं नहीं कर सकती, और जो मैं कर सकती हूँ वो दुनिया में कोई नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि everyone is in it.
Exactly.
है ना, सबका एक अपना तरीका होता है.
Some kind of speciality in themselves that in that we can focus and work, and you should have some kind of passion. That's it.
Right. Absolutely. Correctly remarked. You need to have some kind of passion. And I think whenever you try and explore and dig into your passion, you become big. Because जो आपको offer करना है वो दुनिया में कोई offer नहीं कर सकता.
Exactly.
And it's all about packaging as well.
Yeah, and this is how you stand out. Otherwise, what happens? You are just lost in the crowd. If you just keep doing what other people are doing, okay, इसने ऐसा किया, मुझे भी ये करना चाहिए, then you'll be lost in the crowd. So you need to stand out. You need to follow what you're good at, your dreams, what you want to become. Keep doing that, and I think that's the only way you can become a good influencer, and you can be seen. You can be seen by the crowd, by the brands. They'll start approaching you. This is how it works.
Okay, I want to ask you about monetization, but before that, Sejal is here and she's requesting that she wants to come on my show, Love Yourself. Thank you so much, Sejal. First of all, आप interested हो मेरे show में. Secondly, आपको अपना profile send करना पड़ेगा, so please send me a DM. I'll tell you how you can become a part of Love Yourself on Zing TV. Okay, so now Shilpi, आपने जब blogging शुरू की, आपने बोला कि पहले followers कम होते हैं, like you had about 5,000 followers. अब वो 5,000 फॉलोअर्स से 80,000 फॉलोअर्स तक की जर्नी इज अ बिग जर्नी. और इंस्टाग्राम पे सबने फील किया है कि आपके फॉलोअर्स बढ़ते हैं रोज, और रोज उतने कम भी होते हैं. रोज बढ़ना कम होना इज अ एवरीडे थिंग. तो समटाइम्स पीपल गेट डीमोटिवेटेड कि यार मैंने इतनी मेहनत करके पोस्ट डाली और मेरे फॉलोअर्स तो बढ़े ही नहीं, लाइक्स तो आई नहीं. तो ऐसा कभी हुआ है तुम्हारे साथ? एंड हाउ डिड यू मैनेज दैट?
रोज होता है. So when that people are like unfollowing me. मैं देखती रहती हूँ यार, आज आज मेरे पास इतने फॉलोअर्स थे, अरे अभी नेक्स्ट डे मैं सो के उठी, मैंने देखा कम हो गया. मैं कहा व्हाट द फक.
Breaks my
And
heart.
you can't help it. You can't help it. This is how it works. So I think instead of focusing on your followers, we need to focus on our content. We need to focus on our feed and create good content. Have to be consistent. Like if you are newbie in this field, you need to post every day, maybe sometimes twice, but every day, and keep posting stories, because if you're not doing stories is also a very good way to reach a lot of people. There are people who are not following you. If they see you, if your story comes on the explore page, people will come and check your story from there, and then you'll see people who are not even following you checking your stories. So your story is also reaching to a lot of people. This is how organically you can do. And then there's another way, you can create ads. So if you want to do, yeah, so there creating ads is through the business manager page, Facebook business manager. You can create carousel ads, like 5-6 pictures of yourself, or maybe your styling pictures, anything, and create an Instagram ad. Like it can go on for 7 to 10 days, and that's also a way to get followers organically, but then it's ads. But this is the best way. Plus you can collaborate, like me and you, how we are doing this live session. We can collaborate, create a video, or maybe do some photo shoot together. So that is also a way, because then your followers and my followers will see each other, and they'll start following. Like if they like our content, they'll keep following us. So this is how organically we can grow together.
Absolutely. I think collaboration is a big way in which you can actually grow your social media following. अगर collaboration चलो, अगर if you cannot even reach out to big influencers, you should just try and find people around you. जिसके साथ आप किसी के साथ अगर stories भी डालते हो, you tag them, those people repost you, then again your account is getting visibility.
Yeah. That is also a way. So
ads में ये just to get an idea, मैंने कभी अपना कोई भी पोस्ट का एड किया नहीं है इंस्टाग्राम पे. So when you do story ads, generally how much money do you invest in it? Because ads तो फ्री में आते नहीं है, उसमें you have to spend some money.
See, it depends. It starts from like minimum 200, 150 rupees. You can like increase it, but stories is there only for 24 hours. So no use investing a lot of money in your stories. Better you can invest on the post. You can boost your post, you can promote your post, and this is how you get to reach a larger audience. Plus,
so you mean
yeah.
Huh. So just to understand, like if you have 80,000 followers and you want to reach out like 10,000 extra people out there, तो उसके लिए कितने पैसे invest करते हो आप एक story ad में?
See, 10,000 ऐसे you can't say that you will reach इतना amount of followers. ऐसा नहीं होता है. But
okay.
क्या होता है, that is just a target कि मुझे इतने followers चाहिए. But necessarily नहीं होता है. You might get more or you might get less. So ads is just a way to reach more and more people. Depends on the person that he wants to follow you or not. So first and foremost is the most important thing is content. You have to be very consistent, and you have to have a very nice feed. Like when somebody comes and visits your page, they should say, wow, I want to follow this person because this person has a great feed.
तो वो feed जो बनाते हैं ना, there are multiple apps also in which you can go and plan your feed, like Planology, या फिर ऐसे और भी apps होते हैं जहाँ पे I don't know the names of many of them. Which one is that you are using, which is easy and free to use, जिसमें लोग जाके plan कर सकें?
See, I use this Adobe Lightroom. There are different presets. So you can buy presets, or you can create your own presets in Lightroom, and then what you can do, you get your pictures, you can use the preset, and then take similar, like if you're posting using 2 presets, use those two presets only for Instagram. So this is how it will be. The color will look the same, the tone will look the same of your pictures. It will look nice. The feed will look nice, attractive.
So ये Adobe, what did you call it? Adobe Relight.
Adobe Lightroom. So
Adobe Light, and it's
Lightroom.
available on Play Store.
It's available on Play Store. It's available on iOS, both.
दोनों पे, and it's like a free version that you use or you pay for it.
Free version
So
भी है, paid भी है. So depends if you want if you want to buy presets, you can pay and buy. So
Oh nice, I'll start using this. ये नहीं use करती हूँ मैं तो वो use करती हूँ Canva. I use this website.
Canva भी अच्छा है. Canva is अच्छा. Canva भी अच्छा और एक there's one I like if you want like create some good story, no, you can use what is that called? There's a very nice app. I have to check. I'll check and write it down because I forgot the name. Unfold, sorry, Unfold. I use it for my stories. Like if you want to put one.
I want to use that, so I'm making my notes. Yeah.
हाँ, write it down. So Unfold में क्या होता है? There are like you can put one picture, one video, or two videos together in a story. There are.
So generally, what do you feel? Where do you get higher engagement? On your pictures, on your stories, or the videos? और कैसे उसको अपनी इंसाइट को गेज करके लोग पोस्ट करते हैं ना कि ठीक है मेरी इंसाइट में ये ज्यादा आ रहा है या इस पे ज्यादा एंगेजमेंट है, अकॉर्डिंगली आई शुड पोस्ट.
एक तो टाइमिंग भी देखना चाहिए. टाइमिंग व्हेन यू आर पोस्टिंग. सो कभी कभी क्या होता है, मैंने आई हैव ट्राइड आई हैव ट्राइड ऑल द टाइमिंग्स. मैंने सुबह ट्राई किया अराउंड 11 AM 10 AM. So that is also a good time when you get good engagement. So कभी क्या होता है when you post and if you post mostly right midnight में बहुत लोग midnight में post करते हैं. So if you post around midnight, उस टाइम क्या होता है you don't get a lot of engagement. People might see और कुछ लोग सो जाते हैं. So it mostly doesn't work. US के लोग they see. So कभी कभी what happens, I get US reach, I get वहाँ का reach I get, but India का reach नहीं होता. So then I understood then मेरा time है 6 to 7 PM. That's the right time to post. Okay. I get good engagement. So depends which time you. एक बार you have to experiment with your time also. Like you're posting during the day, during maybe in the noon. Noon, I think noon is not the good time to post for anyone. The best time is in the morning or in the evening or around 9 PM.
Yeah, 9 PM I've heard from a lot of people. Even I was talking to Isha Anand. She told me that 9 PM is a time. Try posting it at 9. तो फिर वो 9 बजे मैंने नोटिस किया कि एंगेजमेंट आता है मेरे पेज पे रात में 9 बजे. So I've started posting at that time now.
हाँ, it's good time, very good time. But उसके बाद क्या होता है, engagement थोड़ा कम होने लगता है. So it's better to post around 9, 6, 7 PM that also works.
So how do you maintain this engagement? Because अभी आपने कहा कि कभी बढ़ता है कभी कम होता है, तो उसको एक मेंटेन कैसे रखें?
Maintain बढ़ता है कम होता है, depends how your post is working. कभी कभी क्या होता है you post and you see like कभी कभी क्या होता है I post some picture and I see instantly I see a lot of engagement happening. So I'm like, oh my god, what has just happened? And sometimes no, I'm not getting anything, like no engagement. So what happens is when you post a picture, video, whatever, and somebody is commenting, just reply on the comment because Instagram keeps changing the algorithm. So what happens, Instagram, when you post, Instagram is showing only 10% of your followers your picture. And when once Instagram sees that your picture is getting engagement, like somebody has commented and you reply to that comment. So Instagram feels that, okay, so this post is getting engagement, I'll show it to the rest of the followers. So then rest of the followers come to see your post and your post might do very well and go to the explore page. So yeah, this is how you get engagement.
Great insight, Shilpi. ये तो एकदम आपने सटीक बात बोली है. This is something which I see also every day happening on my Instagram, and Sejal is also writing on the comment that yes, this is happening with her as well. So
This is
this
how,
is a part and parcel of life. I think the most important thing is to find your niche. That these are the people. This is my target audience, and uske hisab se read your insight and keep posting. And you said the right thing. I'm gonna ask something which is a little off topic, but still I want to ask. Like now, you have so many followers, and people must be approaching you for something or the other, like do this session with me, or I don't know, so many things. Some people must have recognized you on the streets when you're walking down. Arey, maine isko dekha hai, follow you and stuff. So how does it feel when you have like
it
you said
feels
you were
great. It
working,
feels
so
great. I always,
audience.
Akriti, it feels great when somebody comes and tells you, okay, I'm your follower and I've been following you since a while. It really feels great. It feels like, oh my God, so I don't know this person, but this person knows me. And there are people who come and talk to me, mostly girls. They come and tell me that, hi, Shilpi, this happened in a mall. This was like 2 year back. There was a group of like teenagers standing. So two girls came up to me and they told me, "Hi, Shilpi, right?" So I said, "Yeah." So we follow you on Instagram. We really like you. A big fan. I was like, "Oh my god, oh my god." So it feels great. It's really great.
Yeah,
But
that's nice.
I feel that, oh my god, see, I'm not a celeb or something. Influencer is, what does the influencer do? Their job is to tell people that, okay, this product, this is what I'm using. This product works well on my skin. You might try it out. So this is how people think that, okay, this her skin is looking nice, let me also try it out. So this is how influencer, but I don't feel that we are celebs. I mean, it's
If
just a medium.
who is a celebrity? Anybody who has an influence on other people is a celebrity in one manner or the other. So in a way, influencers are now the new age celebrity is what I personally feel, because उनका जो भी following आप सामने देख सकते हो ना कि these are the people who are following this person. But that also comes with a lot of responsibility. If there are people who are following and agreeing to what you're saying and using the products that you're suggesting, it comes with some kind of a responsibility in the bloggers or the influencers end as well. तो उसको आप कैसे manage करते हो?
मतलब DMs, you're talking about the DMs and all.
Responsibility in a way कि supposingly there are XYZ brands who are approaching you. Okay, now some obviously the brand is paying the blogger to talk about the product because it's a marketing strategy. And अगर उस प्रोडक्ट से आप खुद ही सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो और आप उसके लिए अगर बात कर रहे हो, I mean, how do you manage it? Do you like
So what
use all the
happens
products
is,
that you get and then talk
uh,
about them?
yeah, use means, see, if I think that some product I feel doesn't, I don't feel that it's that great. So I'll just tell the brand that I'm not going to promote this. I mean, I can't promote this because it's not worth, like there are some things that not working for me, so I can't promote it. But if something is working well for me, I'm ready to promote it. So I work. And plus, you know what happens when I started, I used to get a lot of like only barter collaborations that
Right.
okay, this
So for
product,
people who don't understand what is a barter collaboration, it means that a brand will come and they will give the product to the blogger and the blogger will post in return of the product. That is what a barter is,
yeah,
which does not include any monetary transaction.
there's no,
Yeah,
yeah.
go ahead.
So I used to get that when I started. Then later I used to feel, oh my god, I'm investing my money and I'm getting nothing. So I started telling the brands that, see, this is my profession, and if you give me products just to use and you don't pay me for what I'm promoting, then what's the use of me doing this? So I started saying no to barter deals, and I started saying yes to only paid collaborations. So I feel that, see, this is our profession. It's our work. So if we are not getting paid for what we are doing, then it's no use doing it. So that is one reason I say no to brands. So I have very selective brands. I only do paid collaborations and no barter now. But I started with barter. When I was new and I started with barter.
वो तो करना ही पड़ता है. Everybody has to do it, you know. It's like brands would also come, and it's monetary. Everything is monetary. If a brand is investing money, the brand wants like 10% or 100% of the cost recovered. And अगर आप as a blogger उनको उतनी reach या उतनी publicity नहीं दे पा रहे हो, then the brand will also not come and pay you. And why not? It has become like a main marketing strategy for so many brands. I was reading somewhere that 59% of Indian brands are now also including social media influencers and bloggers in their mainstream marketing strategies. So, in the lockdown, सारे professions की लगी बड़ी है.
Seriously.
सब ब्लॉगर इंडस्ट्री की, इन्फ्लुएंसर इंडस्ट्री की क्या हाल चाल है?
सबकी सेम स्टोरी.
Yeah.
अभी भी same brands. मतलब there is work but very less as compared to what it was happening before lockdown. But now it has people. What bloggers are doing is they are creating their own content because there are very few sponsored posts now.
Yeah.
So this is how it's working, but it's okay. Lockdown has really screwed everyone.
होगा ठीक होगा. Hey Shilpi, you told me today you also got corona. How did you tell me about the story?
So I don't know how I got it, but then I got it. But ठीक है. I was actually I panicked when I got to know that I tested and I got to know that I'm positive. I panicked because you know what happens. It's the social pressure and that mental trauma, everything happening together. Instead of how you're feeling from within, I just had cold, cough, and fever. Nothing more. I mean, yeah, I had lost my sense of taste and smell also. So whatever I was eating, I was eating. हाँ. So
तो और क्या?
smell. बस यही था. I couldn't
You had
smell.
high fever? High fever?
I had high fever only for 2 days. Other days I had like fever around 99 to 100. And then what happened is body feels very weak. Body gets weak. So it's difficult to get up. This happens for at least goes on for 2 weeks, like 14 days. Recovery होती है. 14 days लग जाता है recovery होते होते. So time takes.
Did you isolate yourself? आप हॉस्पिटल गए थे, घर में ट्रीटमेंट किया था?
हॉस्पिटल नहीं गई थी मैं. घर में टेस्ट करवाया था. मैं बाहर नहीं गई थी, घर पे ही थी.
And your family also got corona? It was just you?
No, only me.
I'm so grateful that you're recovered and you're fine now and you're
You
talking.
know, when you after recovery during the COVID period, no, it feels like you are caged. You can't go out. I mean, it's a social pressure. People start calling. They keep telling you do this, do that. You have to. I mean, everyone is telling you what to do, what not to do. So,
Did you tell people on your social media that you got corona?
I had posted in my stories that I won't be able to post much because right now I'm not well and I'm tested positive. So I'm going through like I have fever and all. So I was not posting anything. Gradually when I started recovering, I started with my post and all. That's it. जब होता है उस टाइम you don't feel like doing anything. You are sleeping, eating. That's it. Nothing to do. But धीरे when I started recovering, I felt so much caged. You know, I can't sit at home. The most boring thing to do is sitting at home and doing nothing. So I kept on thinking, oh my God, my followers are decreasing. Because I was not posting anything. If you are not updating, obviously followers will leave you. They'll think ये तो कुछ कर नहीं रही है, जाओ. So all this was
consistency is important. हाँ, आपने बताया consistency is important. So once a day is good enough, or you should do it more
twice a day is good enough. And I think see, twice is very good. if you are a newbie and you are posting twice, it's really good to get more and more engagement. But best is post once in a day and check how is it working for you.
Shilpi, have you seen this guy Gary V? Gary Vaynerchuk.
I
Okay.
don't know.
So Gary Vaynerchuk is an international influencer and he talks about business and social media. उसकी खुद की social media agency है. So he does it. And he's pretty famous in America and other parts of the world. So he says that, it is entirely a game of numbers. जितने ज्यादा आप पोस्ट
That
करोगे
is true.
उतना ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी कि आपकी कोई ना कोई पोस्ट वायरल हो सकती है, कोई ना कोई पोस्ट आगे जा सकती है.
True. Yeah.
तो वो बोलता है कि रोज आपको कम से कम 5 से 6 स्टोरीज डालनी चाहिए और एक पोस्ट तो करना ही चाहिए. मतलब
Eight
मेक
post to
8 to 10
minimum is,
pieces of
yeah,
content.
it's important.
हम स्ट्रगलिंग है, मैं चाहती हूँ मैं करूँ 8-10 पोस्ट, लेकिन वो
You know
ये
what?
कि
Akriti, मेरा भी अभी ये हाल है. I'm waiting to start with my shoots because right now I don't have much content. And content, you need to have content so that you can post every day. Every day you are posting something or the other. I have work with me right now, but I have to start. और वो start ही अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. So I'll restart
wait.
everything again. Waiting for that. And every day one post, and yeah, stories you have to
So
post.
to make content, you need to make nice pictures, you need to make nice stories. उसके लिए planning करना पड़ता है, shoot का planning,
Yeah,
or
that is true.
how you're making the story, how you're making that look good, your editing and everything you have to do. So if you can take us through the journey and tell us how do you plan your shoots and the journey
So
of initiating of the idea and then again making it a post.
So what happens is I do a lot of research. I keep checking like किस type का, जैसे मेरे पास कोई I have a dress and I want to create something out of it, like create a content. So what happens is I start thinking of what kind of location will go with that outfit. So I keep thinking, I keep researching. It might go with a beach, it might go outdoors or maybe indoors, and then I think of a concept. Maybe I'll be needing some props, or I can shoot it at home. So nowadays, what bloggers are doing, they are shooting at home, and maybe there's a plain wall at the back. What they do after that, they edit it. They put something at the back. It looks nice. So this is how they are working because of the lockdown, you can't go out and shoot. You can't do outdoor shoots. It has become very difficult now. Like how it was earlier, we used to plan, go shoot, and then come back. It was easy. So now you have to think a lot. You have to plan everything, and then you have to coordinate with your team, with your photographer. So this is how you have to do. It takes time. It takes around 10 days or more to just plan
So you
everything,
need
plan the concept. Yeah.
you need a photographer, you need a makeup artist, you need a hairstylist, you need someone to help you on the shoot. So it becomes a big team. Now,
See
when
what
you're a
happens,
blogger and when you're shooting,
mostly bloggers, we as a blogger, I usually, sometimes I do, but mostly I do my own hairstyling and I do my own makeup. Being a blogger, you have to rely on yourself. You have to be one man army. You have to do most of the things yourself. So this is how you do, and then you need a photographer, of course. Without a photographer, you can't. I can't work. I need a photographer. So
yeah.
yeah. So you need to have a small team. You need to have.
So how do you approach these photographers? Or initially you just collaborate and work, or do you have to pay these photographers to shoot?
Yeah, we have to pay because what happens is the photographers, there are new new photographers, they want to like collaborate with you, then they want to join you, they want to work with you, they shoot it for free, but they are photographers, they are like good photographers, they charge. So depends on how much they charge. They charge according to the outfit. They charge according to your looks. So it works like this. See, nothing is free nowadays. Everything is paid.
Yeah, right.
So
I
yeah.
understand. So for a newbie, if somebody who has like 100 follower and they
हाँ.
decide to become an influencer, that okay, this is my path, मुझे influencer बनना है, यही मेरा career है, तो उसके लिए उसको starting में almost how much is the investment? Like just I know
Uh,
it's not a fixed number, it can vary, but just on
Yeah,
an
it
average.
depends how you want to see. If you are a newbie and you want to invest, you can like collaborate with a photographer who is also a newbie, who is also new in the field, and he wants to experiment. And you know that the photographer can do well. It's not like he's clicking, he's doing haywire work, no, not like that. But so if the photographer is new, you can collaborate, and you don't have to pay each other. You can work on collaboration also, and you can shoot outdoors. You don't need a specific location. What I did, I used to shoot outdoors, and my best friend Piyu, she was my photographer. So I was that time I was lucky because she is a good photographer, and she did my shoots. Most of the shoots she did, and my brother, he also did my shoots. So this is how I started. Later on,
Yeah.
when जब थोड़ा अच्छा हो गया था, then he started. The photographers started approaching me, and then this is how it works. You start talking to the photographers, you start working with them.
Well, Shilpi, you have some stunning pictures, and kudos to all your photographers. They have captured you in the best way possible. And
Thank
I
you
see you
so much.
profile. I see your profile growing, and I wish that your profile grows many, many folds. Today you have 80,000. Tomorrow, maybe next time we'll get together again. You'll have 800,000 and maybe 8
Oh
million.
wow.
Right? Keep doing the hard work,
And
and
I
thank you
feel the
so much
same
for
for
joining.
you too. You are growing and you are doing very well in your field. It's nice talking to you today.
Yeah, it was a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you so much for coming over here and sharing all your
Thank you for
insights with us.
inviting me. Thank you so much.
Cool then. I'll catch you later. Yeah?
Sure. Okay. Bye.
Lots of love. Bye.
Love to you too. Bye.
So, guys, that was blogger, influencer, model Shilpi Bose on Vartalap with Akriti, and we spoke to her about the insights of how one can become or start a career as a social media influencer. I hope आपको ये episode अच्छा लगा होगा, कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा. मुझे तो सीखने को मिला है. There are 2 applications which Shilpi spoke about, and I'm definitely going to go use them. Number 1 is Adobe Lightroom, and number 2 is Unfold, and I personally use Canva to make my creatives, so you can go check these applications out and maybe try using some social media ads in order to grow your profile. अगर ads काम करे तो मुझे भी बताना, क्योंकि मैंने आज तक ads use नहीं किए हैं. And कल फिर से मिलेंगे on the same space on my Instagram channel, where tomorrow I'm really excited because पहली बात तो एपिसोड 33 है, और दूसरी बात, पहली बार वार्तालाप पे वी आर डूइंग अ लॉन्च ऑफ अ सॉन्ग. द सॉन्ग इज कॉल्ड असर, एंड इस सॉन्ग को गाया है मेरे फ्रेंड ने, सुर ने, एंड इन लोगों ने लॉकडाउन में इस प्रोजेक्ट को बनाया. So it's basically going to be a nice time, nice insight on how artists can collaborate and work from home, sitting in 3 different countries. They came up with the idea, they recorded the song, they wrote the song, they made the video, they released it, and yeah, we're launching it tomorrow on Vartalap. So join me tomorrow at 4:30 at the same place. And guys, Vartalap is available on 7 different platforms as a podcast. तो अगर आपको देखना नहीं है, मुझे मेरी शक्ल पसंद नहीं आ रही, I'm sure पसंद आई होगी. हाँ, तो अगर आपको देखना नहीं है, सिर्फ सुनना है, तो सुन सकते हो on Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, Overcast, Anchor, Breaker, Radio Public. 6 हुए, एक और है, मैं बताऊंगी, लिंक डाल दूंगी. एंड यूट्यूब पे भी है हमारा चैनल, एंड इंस्टाग्राम पे तो मैं आती हूँ रोज आपके लिए. ओके गाइज, बाय बाय, हैव अ ग्रेट वीकेंड, एंजॉय. आज है सैटरडे. I don't know why I did that. Maybe I'm in the Saturday vibe, guys. Cool, I'll see you. Bye bye.